네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Hello, welcome to Korean with Sean. Of course, my name is Sean. Today we'll be looking at the 10 must-know expressions for those who are planning to attend a Korean language school or those who are currently attending a Korean language school. Here are the 10 most useful expressions for you. First one, 칠판을 보세요. 칠판을 보세요 means look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard. You might hear this expression a lot when you go to Korean class. Especially 땡땡땡 보세요. 보세요 means look or look at 땡땡땡. So 저 보세요. Look at me. 선생님 보세요. Look at the teacher. 여기를 보세요. Look here. easy. 5쪽을 보세요. 5페이지를 보세요. You might know what this means already. Yes. 5쪽을 보세요. 5페이지를 보세요 means look at page 5. Look at page 5. Also, please keep this in mind. When it comes to the page numbers, we usually say 쪽, which means page number. Oh, don't worry about how to count numbers in Korean. I will upload the video for you, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss it. The next one is 들어보세요. 들어보세요 means listen carefully. Your teacher would say 들어보세요 when you're just about to listen to an audio clip or listening test. More importantly, you gotta be really careful with this because 들어보세요 also has 보세요, right? So some people might be confused with 보세요. Since 보세요 means look at, but 들어보세요 means listen. However, this 보세요 in 들어보세요 is from 해보세요, 해보세요, which means to try, not just 보세요 to look at. Also, actually this 들어보세요 is 듣다, which is listen, plus 해보세요, which is try. So it becomes 들어보세요. Try to listen. Listen carefully. Oh, don't worry about the change. 듣다 to 들어. 들어. We will get there in another video. I will upload grammar contents for you as well. The next one is 따라해 주세요. 따라하세요. 따라해 주세요. 따라하세요 means repeat after me. Copy me. Or it could be repeat after something, like an audio clip. So make sure to prepare to follow something when you hear 따라해주세요, 따라하세요. 읽어주세요. 소리내어 읽어주세요. 읽어주세요. 소리내어 읽어주세요 means read aloud. Read aloud. Or sometimes you might hear 읽으세요 instead of 읽어주세요. 읽으세요 could mean either read by yourself or read aloud. So you might get confused when just reading this expression 읽으세요. However, when you actually hear it, you will know which one the teacher is saying with the atmosphere. Just go with the flow, you will just know what the teacher means. 크게 읽어주세요. 크게 말씀해주세요. 크게 읽어주세요. 크게 말씀해주세요 means read loudly, speak loudly. Your teacher might ask you to read or speak loudly since reading aloud is a crucial part to boost your speaking skill. So I'd recommend you to read and speak out loud with confidence. I'm pretty sure it will help you out a lot in your Korean speaking skill. 천천히 읽어주세요. 천천히 말씀해주세요. 천천히 읽어주세요. 천천히 말씀해주세요 means read slowly, speak slowly. If you read too fast, then your teacher might not be able to check and help you with your pronunciation. Therefore, your teacher might ask you to read and speak slowly and clearly. 한국말만 사용하세요. 한국말만 사용하세요 means use only Korean. Use only Korean. Your teacher might ask you to speak only Korean to help you focus on and think in the way of a Korean. So please keep this in mind to try to think and speak in Korean when your teacher asks you to do so. 이해했나요? 알겠어요? 이해했나요? 알겠어요 means did you get it? Did you understand? Your teacher might ask you this question a lot to make sure you fully understand or if you have any questions. 질문 있나요? 질문 있는 학생 있나요? 질문 있나요? 질문 있는 학생 있나요? means, do you guys have any questions? Your teacher might ask you this question at the end of every single class. So if you have any questions, ask your teacher when they ask you this question. Alright, we looked at the 10 most useful expressions for Korean language students. How was it? Pretty easy, eh? I'm pretty sure these expressions will help you out a lot by just knowing or remembering them before going to or even when you're currently attending a Korean language school. That's for today. Thanks for visiting Korean with Sean and for watching my video. I'm going to upload very useful videos for Korean learners, so please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with your friends who might benefit from this video. Alright, I will see you in the next video. 그럼 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.